Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 BMW M3 Competition. Full wrap with the XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Also, there's some ceramic over it. Also, it had installed the XPEL XR Plus paint or window film. This is 20% all the way around. It gets darker towards the back, obviously, because we are fully encapsulated with the back window, the sides. When you get to the front, keep in mind you only got a few inches until the front windshield is illuminating a lot of light in there. So that's why the front always appears more clear. Some always are trying to match. It's a difficult thing to do unless you tint that front windshield super dark. Let's take a look at the wrap. XPEL Ultimate Plus, 8mm thick, 10-year guarantee in writing, lifetime installation guarantee by Clearbrow, North Dallas. Self-healing, aids in rock chips, not punching through to your paint, no waxing for 10 years. And they also sell a ceramic paint protection film. It's the Ultimate Plus. They call it Fusion. It's a 4-year ceramic on a 10-year product. So great things happening. Color PPF should be coming out soon. It's supposed to come out in December. I guess it'd be about June. We'll see what happens. Starting with the hood, nice and clear. This car took a full correction, full polish. It had a lot of contamination on it. The roof as well is fully wrapped. All your edges are fully done. No issues at all wrapping all these corners and edges. This is what you want, folks. You don't want an exposed edge. This is where rocks hit. You don't want an exposed here. You want all these wrapped around. You want, excuse me, you want everything done so as if the paint has nothing on it. This is nice and clear, no marks, no silvering we call it, no adhesive marks, no stretch marks, no chicken skin. That's from pulling on it. And if you're pulling here and you move the film up here, it's gonna create a effect that looks like a chicken skin after it was plucked. Coming around down here, all fully wrapped in. Everything's fully done, looks perfect, even the black. Coming around the sides, our doors are done. Our A-pillar running around all the way to the tail is one piece. We take these tail lights out because we want everything nice. It looks as if nothing's there. Coming up around here, done. This rooftop here, it's all carbon fiber. Probably about a $9,000-$10,000 roof if it were to get damaged. Fully wrapped, one section. These come off right here. They're easy, they pop right off. We wrap all the way in there, wrap all the way into this glass, and we wrap all the way into this front glass. I'll get this soap off later from the window film. These pop off so we can have no line here. If you see a line on yours, that's a shame because these pop off super easy. That's it right there. So those come off.